Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix Fortnite Windows cannot access the specified device problem. Let's fix it guys. I recommend watching the video once before trying the solution. The first solution is to run Epic Games as an admin and change the Fortnite's compatibility settings. To do this, you just need to go to search menu and type Epic Games. You just need to right click on the Epic Games launcher and select open file location. Now you just need to right click on the Epic Game launcher and select open file location again. And now you just need to right click on the Epic Games launcher and select properties. Select compatibility tab and you just need to check mark run this program as an administrator and select apply and OK for save changes. To change Fortnite's compatibility settings, you just need to close it up here and open up Epic Games and click on this three dot icon in the Fortnite and select manage and select open install location. Click on it and now you just need to double click on the Fortnite game and binaries win64 folder, and now you just need to locate 4 files with Fortnite icon. You just need to scroll down. We will change the compatibility settings of these files. You just need to scroll down and find these files. You just need to right click on it one by one. Select properties. Select compatibility tab and check mark run this program as in compatibility mode for Windows 8. Check mark it, and after that disable full screen optimizations. You just need to check mark it guys. After doing it, select apply and OK for save changes. Do the same thing for other Fortnite icon folders. You just need to make sure run this program as an administrator is unchecked, and after that select apply and OK for save changes. We will do the same for these 4 files guys. We have changed Fortnite's compatibility settings guys. Now you can open Epic Games and check the problem solved or not. If the problem is not solved, we will move on to the second solution guys. The second solution is to clear Fortnite and Epic Games cache files. To do this, you just need to close it off here and you just need to right click on the start icon and select run. And now in the run window, you just need to type a percentage local app data. Percentage again. Click on OK. In here, the files we need to delete are Epic Games Launcher, Fortnite Game, Unreal Engine, and Unreal Engine Launcher. You just need to select all of these and delete it guys. Scroll down. Epic Games Launcher and Fortnite Game and Unreal Engine. Unreal Engine Launcher and Unreal Engine. Right click on it and select delete it guys. If you received a folder in use notification, you just need to click on this arrow icon over here and right click on the Epic Games and select exit guys. Now you just need to close it off here, and now we will delete these files guys. Unreal Engine Launcher, Unreal Engine, and scroll up. Just need to search for Epic Games Launcher and Fortnite Game, and after selecting all these folders, you just need to right click on it and select delete it guys. Deleting these files will not harm our Epic Games or our game guys. We will just need to log back into our account. We have cleared the cache files guys. Now you can check if the problem solved or not. If the problem persists, we will move on to the third solution, guys. The third solution is to give permissions to Fortnite files from the first solution. To do this, you just need to close it off here. Now you just need to open up Epic Games. We open the file location of Fortnite as we did in the first solution. Select manage and select open install location. After doing this, you just need to right click on the Fortnite launcher and select properties, and you just need to select the security tab, select edit. In the group or username section, we set them to all full control and select OK, guys. For that, you just need to select one by one and check whether it is full control to check mark over here. If not, you just need to check mark it, guys, and after that select OK. You just need to select OK. Do the same thing for other Fortnite icon folders. Properties, security tab, select edit, and you just need to select the full control check mark, and now after checking it, select apply and OK. Do the same thing for other two Fortnite icon folders. Select security, edit, and check mark full control check mark it, apply and OK. OK. And now the last one, select apply and OK. We gave the permission. Now you can check the problem solved or not. I hope one of the solution fixed your problem, guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like, guys. You can also subscribe me and support me, guys. Thank you.